Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to buy Linea ETH and send to Memefi wallet. In order to do this, we're going to open our Memefi wallet on Telegram, and then here we're going to see wallet around here. We're going to tap on wallet, switch over to main at the top here, and then you're going to click on deposit. You could either click on deposit or you can click on Linea network. This will take you to where you can see your QR code and your alphanumeric crypto address. So if we click on Linea network, it takes us here. Now you want to take note that we're going to be having this address using the Linea network. So now you're going to copy this, and now you can see it's copied to your clipboard, and we'll be going to Bybit. Now we're in Bybit, we're going to go to the bottom right corner where we have assets. Under assets, we're going to tap on funding because that's where we want to do it from. And then we're going to click on ETH. Now, if you don't have Ethereum, what you can do is to make sure you have some USDT, and then you can convert your USDT into Ethereum. You can do this by tapping on USDT and then clicking on convert. And then in this case, you have USDT and easily to Ethereum. When you do this, you can confirm the conversion according to how much you want to buy for your Ethereum. Now, because we have Ethereum already, we can tap on Ethereum. And then we're going to click on withdraw. Withdraw can be found at the bottom of the screen. And so here we have the coin Ethereum. We're going to paste the address which we copied from our Memefi wallet. And then remember the network. This is very important to follow. If not, you might lose your funds. We're going to tap on network and we will be looking for Linea. Linea usually is at the last. Now we found Linea here at the last. And currently we have our address, we have the network Linea, which corresponds to what we copied from Memefi. And then you're going to put the amount, and then you could also see the withdrawal fees. And when everything looks good on your end, you can click on withdraw to confirm your transaction. When you do this, you would be sending your ETH using the Linea network into your Memefi wallet. So this is how to buy Linea ETH and send to Memefi wallet.